Hey there, AI enthusiasts! Are you ready to explore some mind-blowing AI capabilities that will leave you amazed? Look no further, because today we're diving into the world of voice cloning, dubbing, text-to-speech, and speech-to-speech with the incredible platform 11 Labs. You won't believe what this technology can do. First up, let's talk about voice cloning. Imagine being able to create a digital replica of your own voice or even someone else's. With 11 Labs, you can do just that. You can create a hyper-realistic model of any voice and use it for various purposes. It's like having your own personal AI twin. Next, let's explore the world of dubbing with 11 Labs. With this feature, you can take any video and dub it in a different language. It's perfect for content creators who want to reach a wider audience, or for anyone who wants to watch their favorite videos in a different language. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Now let's talk about text-to-speech. With 11 Labs, you can convert any text into lifelike speech using a voice of your choice. You can even customize the voice settings to make it sound more expressive or stable. It's like having your own personal AI assistant. But wait, there's more. 11 Labs also offers speech-to-speech conversion. This means you can take any audio file and convert it into a different voice. It's perfect for podcasters or content creators who want to switch up their voice or add some variety to their content. The possibilities are endless. One of the coolest things about 11 Labs is its multilingual capabilities. With 29 different languages to choose from, you can create content in any language you want. And the best part, the software automatically detects the type of language you're using, so you don't have to select it manually. It's like having your own personal translator. But that's not all. 11 Labs also has a voice library where you can sample different voices and add them to your voice lab. You can even create your own custom voice by combining different styles and settings. It's like being a mad scientist in the world of AI voices. And let's not forget about the Project tab. With this feature, you can turn long-form content into audio. This means you can turn books, documents, and even conversations into lifelike speech. It's perfect for anyone who wants to consume content on the go or for those who prefer listening to reading. But wait, there's more. 11 Labs even allows you to turn any website text content into audio with a simple snippet. This means you can add audio to your website and make it more accessible to a wider audience. It's like having your own personal website narrator. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get my hands on all these amazing features? Well, with the Creator account, you can access all these features and more. And the best part, the first month is 50% off. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and start exploring the incredible world of AI with 11 Labs. But don't just take our word for it. Let's take a look at some examples. With text-to-speech, you can create lifelike speech from any text. For example, you can create a voice that whispers sweet nothings in your ear, or you can create a voice that sounds like a movie trailer announcer. The possibilities are endless. So why should you care about 11 Labs and its incredible AI capabilities? Well, for starters, it can help you save time and money. With text-to-speech and speech-to-speech conversion, you can create content faster and more efficiently. And with voice cloning and dubbing, you can reach a wider audience and expand your brand. Plus, It's just really cool to play around with. But the best part about 11 Labs is that it's constantly evolving and improving. With rapid advancements in AI technology, the possibilities are endless. Who knows what kind of incredible features they'll come up with next? So stay tuned and join us on this exciting journey into the world of AI. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of 11 Labs and its amazing AI capabilities. From voice cloning to dubbing to text-to-speech and speech-to-speech conversion, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a creator account today and start exploring the incredible world of AI with 11 Labs. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. But wait, before you go, we have a challenge for you. We want to hear your best AI-generated voice impression. So head over to our social media channels and share your best AI voice with the hashtag #AIVoiceChallenge. We can't wait to hear what you come up with. And finally, a big shout out to the team at 11 Labs for creating such an incredible platform. Your dedication to innovation and push the boundaries of AI technology is truly inspiring. Keep up the amazing work. And that's it for today, folks. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey into the world of AI with 11 Labs. We hope you learned something new and were inspired by the incredible capabilities of this technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring